Welcome to USA Smart Shop, your go-to channel for honest, expert product reviews. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best tennis rackets on Amazon. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or pro-level player, we've got the perfect racket to up your game. Let's dive into the lineup. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Oppam 27-inch Pro Tennis Rackets, 2-pack, lightweight, durable strings, ideal for beginner/intermediate players. The Oppam 27-inch Pro Tennis Racket set offers a well-balanced blend of power and control for both beginners and intermediate players. What stands out immediately is the lightweight construction. Each racket is crafted with a mix of aluminum and carbon fiber, which reduces the overall weight while enhancing the racket's strength and durability. The string tension feels consistent across the face, making ball contact more predictable and helping to build a player's confidence. These rackets come pre-strung, so they're ready to hit the court right out of the package. The durable strings hold up well after multiple games, even during practice sessions involving repetitive shots. The grip is another strong point. It's designed to feel firm but cushioned enough to reduce hand fatigue. The handle also features anti-slip properties, which is helpful for players practicing under warm conditions or with sweaty hands. Whether you're serving or returning, the grip provides a stable foundation for clean execution. The 2-pack makes it ideal for couples, friends, or coaches training with students. It's also a smart option if you need a backup racket for practice sessions. The balance of the racket leans slightly toward the head, offering more power during ground strokes while still maintaining enough control for net play and volleys. Frame stiffness is moderate, which reduces vibration and protects the wrist and elbow, making it friendly for long sessions on the court. The sweet spot is generous, helping newer players connect more consistently, while intermediate players will appreciate the level of feedback and control during rallies. Number 2. Picasin 27-inch tennis rackets for adult recreational 2-players tennis racket set with 2 overgrips and 1 tennis bag. Perfect for beginners and students training. The Picasin 27-inch tennis racket set is designed with beginner adults and students in mind, offering both ease of use and quality construction. The rackets are pre-strung and ready to play out of the bag, making this a convenient option for new players who want to start practicing immediately. With a standard 27-inch length and a lightweight aluminum frame, these rackets strike a balance between maneuverability and power. Each swing feels smooth and responsive. The aluminum alloy material provides a sturdy backbone while keeping the overall weight manageable, so players can work on technique without getting fatigued quickly. The head size is slightly oversized, which expands the sweet spot and increases forgiveness on off-center hits, a crucial feature for new players still refining their timing. The grip on each racket is comfortable and functional. It's wrapped in a soft, absorbent overgrip that helps prevent slippage during long practice sessions. 2 additional overgrips are included in the package for easy replacement. The grip size fits most adult hands comfortably, and the slight cushioning helps reduce vibration during ball contact. This set comes with a lightweight tennis bag that easily fits both rackets. The shoulder strap is adjustable, and the zippered closure keeps everything secure. The compact design makes it easy to carry around, whether you're headed to the local courts or a school training session. The bag also has room for small accessories like overgrips, balls, or a towel. From a design perspective, the rackets have a sleek appearance with clean lines and a sporty color finish. They look great and feel well balanced in hand. While this set is optimized for recreational play and training, it still delivers solid performance in rallies, serves, and ground strokes. Number 3. HX Tennis Rackets for Adults, 2-player pre-strung 27-inch recreational tennis racket set for beginner and professional with 2 balls, 2 overgrips, and 1 carrying bag. The HEX 27-inch tennis racket set is tailored for recreational players who want an all-in-one solution to start playing right away. With 2 rackets, 2 balls, 2 overgrips, and a carrying bag included, this set delivers both value and convenience. It's a smart choice for beginners, casual players, or even those looking to enjoy a weekend match with a partner. Each racket is pre-strung and features a full-size 27-inch length, offering the ideal dimensions for adults seeking the right mix of reach and control. The frame is made from durable yet lightweight aluminum, giving the racket a solid feel without being heavy. This allows for quick swings and better reaction time, especially during rallies or volleys near the net. The sweet spot is generous, which helps newer players make consistent contact with the ball. Power delivery feels clean and the frame doesn't produce much vibration, making it more comfortable during extended use. Players working on their technique will appreciate how easy it is to generate spin and adjust shot direction without excessive effort. The included overgrips are a welcome addition, especially for those who play frequently or want to customize the feel of the handle. The standard grip itself is soft and moisture absorbent, helping maintain a firm hold even during sweaty conditions. The rackets are built for comfort, so whether you're practicing your forehand or working on your serve, the grip won't hold you back. The balls included in the set are suitable for practice and light play. They bounce consistently and are a nice bonus for those just starting out. While they may not be pro grade, they are perfectly fine for casual games and warm-ups. Number 4. Hierle 27-inch tennis racket set for adults, 2-player pre-strung tennis rackets, 2 overgrip tapes, 3 balls, and 4 carrying bag, outdoor recreational sport for beginner, men, women. The Hierle 27-inch tennis racket set is a comprehensive solution designed for beginners and casual players looking to play right away with everything they need in one bundle. The package includes 2 pre-strung rackets, 3 tennis balls, 2 overgrips, and not 1 but 4 carrying bags, making it great for organized storage and convenient transport. Each racket measures a standard 27 inches and is built using a durable aluminum alloy frame. The construction gives the racket a nice blend of lightness and sturdiness. It allows for smooth swings without overburdening the wrist or arm, which is especially helpful for players still adjusting to proper stroke mechanics. The sweet spot is forgiving, and the string tension delivers consistent response, which is essential for building muscle memory and improving shot control. Whether you're rallying from the baseline or stepping up for a volley, the rackets handle well in a variety of playing conditions. Grip quality is another standout. The original handle is comfortable, and the 2 overgrip tapes let players refresh the grip when needed. Absorbent and soft, the grip tape helps reduce slipping and makes extended sessions more enjoyable. This set clearly considers the needs of beginners, ensuring comfort during gameplay. 3 tennis balls are included, and they perform well for casual matches and training. They bounce consistently and are good enough for drills or informal matches. While not tournament grade, they're great for players just starting out or practicing on different court surfaces. Number 5. Sensen tennis rackets for adults 27-inch tennis rackets, 2-player tennis racket set with 3 balls, 2 grips, 2 vibration dampers. The Sensen 27-inch tennis racket set delivers a quality 2-player solution ideal for adults seeking an affordable yet well-constructed tennis package. Each racket is built with a lightweight and durable frame designed for optimal balance, making it easier to handle for players just starting out or returning to the court after a break. These rackets are pre-strung and ready for action. The string bed provides a nice combination of power and control, allowing players to experiment with different strokes while maintaining consistent shot feedback. The frame material feels solid and resists bending, which is important for those putting in regular practice time. One key feature in this set is the inclusion of 2 vibration dampers. These attach directly to the string bed and significantly reduce hand and wrist shock during contact. This is especially useful for beginners or anyone playing extended sessions, as it helps minimize joint stress and increases comfort during rallies. The handle comes wrapped in a comfortable grip, and 2 extra grips are included so users can re-wrap as needed. The cushioning is supportive without being bulky, and it holds up well under sweaty conditions. Combined with the dampers, the handle system makes each hit feel controlled and comfortable. 3 tennis balls are part of the package, giving players enough to warm up and practice without needing to purchase extras. These balls offer consistent bounce and are suited for beginner training or casual weekend games. Thanks for watching USA Smart Shop. If you found the perfect tennis racket today, check out the links in the description to grab yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a winning review. See you in the next video.